shopping problem, and Ulta is like my favorite online retailer. So I just wanted to do a little Ulta haul because I've been ordering things that I needed, like that I've run out of, that are skincare things. I've come across some things. There was like free gift with purchase, which I left. Oh no! This is going to be 2 parts because I totally forgot. This is going to be a pretty quick Ulta haul. So this actually ended up being 2 orders because I had gotten an email saying that for Diamond and Platinum members there was going to be some little email going out, and I completely forgot about it in the morning the other morning when I ordered these things, and so I made a double purchase. So what that email was that you would get a free gift with a $25 purchase. I think it was 25. And I ended up getting this retinal correction eye cream as the free gift. It's by the brand ROC, and I have not tried it yet, but it looks like an eye cream I was kind of looking for, because I've noticed that I'm getting like, I used to, when I was learning how to do my eyeliner, I would always pull, like yank my skin around my eye to get that wing. And when I really started trying to learn how to do makeup, I like heard you don't do that. And I'm like, looking back, I should not have been tugging on very sensitive skin around my eyes. So this will come in handy. But before I got that email, I ordered this Derma E Firming DMAE Eye Lifting Peptides and Vitamin B3 Firm Lift. I've never tried anything from this brand before. It wasn't super expensive. I mean, I just didn't really feel like dropping a whole lot of money. There was a couple that I was looking at that were like the higher end brands, and they had mixed reviews, and I was like, I'm not spending $40 for an eye cream that has seriously mixed reviews. This had pretty good reviews, which is why I got it. And next in that order was the Truly hashtag Heart Ear Imperfections Acne Patches. These, my friends, are a sorcery unknown to me a few months ago until I ordered it. These had mixed reviews. I was pretty desperate. I'm a picker. I pick at my face. So like in here, like where I have these dark spots, it's because I pick, except for like this right here. These pretty much like brought it out this morning and I picked it. I shouldn't have. But like this spot right here, I'm just going to put some of these on tonight. I've helped bring it out, and I'm going to medicate it with some other little acne medicine that I have. But these are absolutely amazing. And in my empties video, I'm sure there are several boxes of those. And see, this was in another one that I forgot to grab, but this is the Wet n Wild Sleepin' Lip Mask in Lavender. So the best way for me to describe this, it's very nice. It's like a gel. But when I didn't smell it before I put it on. I just put it on after, like, while I was doing my skincare before I went to bed the other night. And I put it on and I was like, I smell I was like sniffing around, like, did we have leftover stuff, like tattoo stuff around? Like, I smell it. And I realized, this is lip stuff. It smells like you're like in the tattoo parlor getting a tattoo. So it was like, oh, I need a new one. But this stuff, I've complained before that I drink 8 bottles of water a day and my lips stay dry. I mean, I will get like right, it's my bottom lip, and it's always like right near my lip ring towards the center. I always get them there, the dry skin, and I'm really bad about picking. So like I'll like kind of pick at it or I'll bite it. Bad. Do not don't do that because it bleeds, it hurts, it's no good. I have had such amazing results out of just using this in 3 days, and any chapstick I've ever used this stuff, I have been a little less crusty. No, there's not been very much dryness going on my lips since I started using that, and I'm so thankful. And the best part about it was like $4 maybe. So Wet n Wild Beauty Lip Mask. Run out and get it, especially if you have a little dryness going on here. This is definitely worth it. Now for my second order, this is how I got the free item with it. But I ordered another one of these, the Truly #Heart Your Imperfections. Can't run out of those. And then I got the I'm Honey Deep Moisturizer or Deep Moisture Rescue Mask by Tony Moly. Let me tell you about Tony Moly. It's one of my all-time favorite sheet mask brands. Like, I know they have more than that, but I use the sheet mask a lot. I have one of the ones that's like the aloe vera ones, that it's like the, oh, it's green, but what is it? Oh, it's some kind of moisture mask, and I like it. And I was like, well, I want to try this because sometimes, like, right up, and sometimes you'll see, I don't know if you can see, I hope you can't see it when I'm doing tutorials because I get so self-conscious about it. But like right up in here, for whatever reason, I get super dry. So if I use concealer under my brows to help clean them, and I like flick the concealer out and I like try to get it off, like my skin kind of peels there, and it's gross to me. And I don't know what to do about it, but this stuff is really like, I've used it once and I can tell a big difference. It's super cool. Like, I don't know. It makes my skin feel nice. And it smells good. It smells like honey. Woo! Yep, smells like honey. Looks like honey. And just as messy as honey. The little lid come off too. Yeah, so far, this is what I have. I have another haul that I'm going to do soon. So I know this was super short. I totally forgot to grab it. So, I recently put up a runway haul. Have you checked it out? I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. And let me know what you'd like to see next. I could do more hauls. I did like the tiniest Sephora haul in the whole world the other day. I ordered some Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. I got in a sample. It was like this small, maybe like have a little bit more at the bottom, but it was like tiny. I got a little one of those in my Ipsy bag a while back. I think I had that one because I totally forgot to do my Ipsy unbagging this month, but I don't know if that would be something you're interested in. So it just slipped my mind. I've kind of had a lot going on, but I got that size for $20. I was like, I've been better off buying the full size one, but I wasn't sure after I ordered. I was like, that seems like the size that I already have, but it has lasted me a pretty good while too. I've used it, I may have used half of it by now. Then I ordered the Melt Cosmetics lipstick in 666 because I've been eyeing that color for a while, and I was like, you know what? They sent me an email that I'll get a free gift if I spend this much money, so impulse over here had to do it. But I think that'll do it for this Ulta haul. I'm sorry, I thought I was going to have more, but I totally forgot to grab the other, which I've said 10 million times. Let me know down below what you would like to see next, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.